Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to look at another interesting Java interview question. And the question here is, how can we count vowel and consonant character in a given string? So let's take an example to understand this better. So suppose here I am going to declare one string input is equal to hello Java. If you look at this string contains four vowel character and five consonant character. So our output should be here consonant count equal to 5 and vowel count equal to 4. So this is our expected output for this given input string. Now before we start writing the code, you can see that this string is a mix of uppercase letter and lowercase letter. So to make our logic simple, we have to either convert this entire string into the lowercase letter or uppercase letter. And this helps us to avoid case sensitivity when we are going to check each character as a vowel and consonant. And here I am going to convert this entire string into the lowercase letter. And to convert this entire string into lowercase letter, I am going to call one predefined method, that is to lowercase method on this string. After converting this string into lowercase letter, now I am going to convert this string into int string. And why I am going to do that? Because I want to use the stream API method like filter, count, and other stream operation directly on the character code. So to convert this string into int string, I am going to call the chars method on this. This chars method responsible to convert any string into int string. After converting the string into int string, now I can use the filter method on this. So here I will call the filter method, and as you know that inside the filter method we can pass the predicate. So here I am going to pass the predicate to check whether a character is vowel or not. And to do that, I will process each character and compare it against the five vowel character, that is A, E, I, O, and U. So now I will start processing every character here, and I am going to create one mod string with the value A, E, I, O, and U. So you can see this is the one of the string I'm creating here. If you want to declare this string outside, that also you can do. Now I'm going to call the index of method on this string to check the index value for every character. If the index value for this character lie between 0 to 4, then we will say that this character is the vowel character. But if the index value for this character is equal to -1, then this character will be a consonant character, not a vowel character. So let me clarify you why I am saying I need to check the index value only lie between 0 to 4. So you can see here, I have created this string, and in this string, the index value for A will be the 0, the index value of E will be 1, and finally the index value of U will be the 4. So here the index range lie between 0 to 4 itself. And that is the reason I'm checking every character. If that character is A, E, I, O, and U, then the index value for those character will be between 0 to 4. Or if that character is not A, E, I, O, and U, then the index of method will return the value as a -1. So here to check the character is vowel, I am going to check the index value should not be equal to -1. It means that the character is the vowel character, that character is not the consonant character. And finally, I'm going to call the count method to count how many vowel are present inside this string. And now let me assign this result into one of the long variable. So we'll declare a long vowel count. And let me quickly print this value and let me show you the output on the console. And to print this value, let me write the sysout here. System.out.println will write some message. Vowel count in given string equal to vowel count. Now let me run this and let me show you the output. You can see vowel count in a given string is equal to 4, and this is our expected output. Now let me show you how we can find out the consonant count. So to get the consonant count, I will copy this entire code, and here I have to check the character is consonant or not. So here I will make some changes in this condition. So here I will check the index value equal to -1. If the index value is equal to -1, then we can say that that character is the consonant character, but not a vowel character. Now let me assign this result into one of the long video. So for that, we'll write long consonant count. Now let me print this consonant count as well. So for that, I'll copy this out from the line number 10 and we'll change the message here. Here C should be small. Now let me run this again and let me show you the consonant count. You can see I'm getting the vowel count in a given string is equal to 4, but consonant count in a given string I'm getting as a 6. I'm expecting 5, but I'm getting 6. So why I'm getting this as a 6? Because you can see here in this string we have the extra space between these two words. And since there's extra space, they're considering this extra space as a consonant. So to fix this issue, what I will do, before checking the character is consonant or not, I'm going to call one more filter method. So here I'm going to use the filter chaining. So let filter, and inside this filter method, I'm going to pass the condition to remove all those unnecessary character which is not lie between A to Z. So here we'll start processing every character and we'll check is that character value greater than equal to small a and less than equal to Z. So if any character who is lie between A to Z, for that only I'm going to check that character is consonant or not. Anything which does not lie between A to Z, that I'm going to remove from the int string. Now let me print this value again and let me show you the output here. Now you can see I'm getting the vowel count as a 4 and consonant count as a 5. And this was our expected output. And this is the way how we can find out the count of consonant character and count of vowel character in a given string. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel and please share this video with your friends, colleagues and anyone who is preparing for the interview. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video with one more new question.